Hey y'all, welcome back. It's your girl Ava, and this is what we're going to be eating tonight. This is baked brown sugar chicken breast. Baked brown sugar chicken breast. And I think I'm going to call these little quick segments Ava's Quickies. But let's get started. So right now I have a little bit of olive oil in my pan, and I have my oven preheated to 450 degrees. Let's get that good and hot. And while that is getting hot, let me try that. Yep, it's gonna be good and hot. Y'all, I have my phone, I'm not getting paid to say this, but I have my phone on this little, I don't know, my child coming in the kitchen. Will you please shut the door? What is this? Excuse me, you know, the children. I am using this little thing that moves, that my camera sits on. It's called a gimbal. But it's pretty neat. It moves around if I move or something like that. Okay, so I have my oil. So I have about 6 cloves of garlic. Six cloves of garlic. And I'm just gonna saute that till they're good and tender. I hope y'all are doing all right out there on this Tuesday evening. It's about 6 o'clock here. I know I told y'all last night I don't like to cook real late. Let that cook. And this is my first time trying this recipe. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm gonna say, yeah, I've made this several times. It's my first time trying it. But we're gonna see how it tastes. It sounds good. A lot of good reviews on it, so we're gonna try it. Okay. I think that is good. So I'm going to turn the heat off. And I'm going to add a little bit of this Montreal chicken seasoning to it. Just to add a little bit to that. Stir that up. Keep bumping the phone. That is all stirred up together. It smells good already. Okay, so now what I want to do is add in some brown sugar to this. Let's add that in while it's still hot. Alright. So what I want to do is add a little bit of salt and pepper to this as well. I'm gonna season that pretty good. I want to give it some flavor. Just a little bit. You don't have to add a whole lot. Salt and pepper. Brown sugar seasoning on this. Coat that real good. Spread spread it all over your chicken breast. Alright, so this is going to go into the oven at 450 degrees for about 30 minutes. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, y'all. So the brown sugar baked chicken is done. And it looks and smells so good. And it's so quick and easy to make. Like I said, this is my first time making it, so I'm about to try this for the first time. Alright, look how pretty that is. I just sprinkled a little parsley on that pretty baby right there. So good. I need to call my husband in here to do a taste test. Baby! You gonna do the taste test? Here you come. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, babe, go ahead and do the taste test. He's in here.
Alright, I'm trying to.
We might have to cut it.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to sit down, Jamal.
Come on, Jamal.
Let me put you down, Pookie. Alright.
He's trying to hold Jamal. Hold on. He's trying to hold Jamal and cut it. With a fork, that's not gonna work.
Oh, that's juicy. I know this is wrong.
Oh, Jamal wants some too. Okay.
It's hot.
All right, y'all. Well, that's Ava's Quickies. It's, yeah, he crying. Brown sugar baked chicken. All right, let me go and fix these kids' plates and ready to eat so we can sit down and watch a movie. Until next time, bye.